Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're baking.
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. All right, and then add the baking soda and the salt. All right, now that you've combined the flour, baking soda, and salt, we can stir in the chocolate chips.
You dump it?
And you can stir those in. You need to open all those bananas and put them in the big bowl. Here, I'll help.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want help mashing them?
Yes, baby. We'll just hit it with our hands and then I don't like doing it with my hands. I just want to do it with a smash.
We'll just use a fork this time.
You're really going to do that?
Yeah.
You know, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. You know, the Muffin Man who lives in Julie Way.
Add the sugar to the bananas. Add this 1 room temperature egg. Add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Saying add that vanilla in. You want to mix that together.
You know, I'm not a good mixer.
Okay, I'm going to help you mix this together now.
It's vanilla. It's sweet vanilla.
Just going to mix this in. And we only want to mix it until it's just combined. Fold it together.
I'm not a good mixer.
Oh, you're a good mixer. You know how you get better at things is by practicing.
I'm trying to learn how to mix. Oh, you must put on the top.
We can fill these all the way to the top. We'll do however many this gets us.
I'm going to try it after you're done baking it.
Yep, we got to cook it for about 18 minutes and then let it cool for 5 minutes. This, right? We got to put more chocolate chips on top.
Those white ones?
Yeah, we're only gonna do it to half. Why don't you use a spoon?
I'll get a spoon.
Perfect.
What one?
These 6 right here. These 2 and those 2.
It's not gonna be enough. A little more.
Oh, those look good.
I just ate 1 chocolate chip on yours.
You did?
Yeah.
Cheers.
You know what? I like the white chocolates on it.
You didn't eat any of the muffin, you just ate the chocolate chips.
I know. I ate.
How is it?
Good.
Good?
Uh-huh. Daddy,
Put
I
it in.
like the pink ones and I don't like the blue ones.
Thanks for watching.